In this lesson, we are going to study about circles. A circle is a closed plane figure made up of all the points the same distance from the center. Let us try to understand this. Suppose if you have a point here, one over here, a point over here, and a point over here. The distance from the center to each point is the same. The distance from the center to this point, the distance from the center to this point, the distance from the center to this point, they are all the same. So such a closed figure is called a circle. The circle is named by its center. Whatever the letter you give to the circle, it is named by that letter. For example, the center we will label it as O. So the circle O is shown below. So this is represented as circle O. Let us understand each term used in the circle. A radius, plural radii, is any line segment that connects the center to a point on the circle. Suppose if you have a point on the circle, let's take that to be A. The distance from the center to A, that is called the radius of the circle. So what is the radius? The distance from the center to a point on the circle, that is called the radius of the circle. For example, if you have a point here, the distance from the center to this point, what is it called? Radius. If you have a point here, say C, the distance from the center to the point C, what is it called? Radius. So a radius is a segment from the center to a point on the circle. What is a diameter? A diameter is any line segment through the center that connects the 2 points on the circle. If you have 2 points on the circle, a diameter is a segment which connects these 2 points. Let us take the 2 points to be A and B. A segment connecting the 2 points A and B through the center is called the diameter of the circle. For example, if we have a point D over here, a point C, the line joining the segment joining C and D and passing through the center, what is this line called? It is called the diameter. So what is a diameter? A diameter is a segment that connects 2 points on the circle and passes through the center. What is a chord? A chord is any line segment that connects 2 points on the circle. Suppose if you have 2 points on the circle, let's take A and B. A segment that connects any 2 points on the circle, that is called a chord. If you have a point C and D, and if we connect these 2 points, is this a chord now? Yes. Is this a chord now? Yes. Now observe carefully. Is it connecting 2 points on the circle? Is this a chord now? Yes. But since this chord is passing through the center, what is this called? It is called diameter. So a diameter is also a chord. A diameter is also a chord. A central angle is an angle whose vertex is the center. For example, suppose if we have an angle over here. Is this an angle? Yes. What is the vertex of this angle? This point. Is this the center of the circle? Yes. So if an angle has the vertex at the center, What is this angle called? It is called central angle. Let's look at an example. If I have an angle over here, is this angle a central angle of the circle? Yes, because the vertex of this angle is the center of the circle. An arc is a part of a circle connecting 2 points of the circle. So if I have a point A over here and a point B over here, and an arc is a part of a circle which connects these 2 points. This is called arc AB. Is this an arc? If I have a point C and a point D, and I connect these 2 points on the circle, is this an arc of a circle? Yes. A sector is a region bounded by 2 radii and an arc. Radii, the plural of radius. For example, look at these two. Is this an arc? There is a point A and a point B. This is an arc. Is this the radius? And this is the radius. Now this is the region which is bounded between the 2 radii and an arc. So this is called a sector of a circle. So a sector is a region bounded by 2 radii and an arc. Let's look at this. Is this a radius? Is this a radius? Is this an arc? Now, is this a region which is bounded by 2 radii and an arc? Can I say this is the sector of the circle? Yes. An arc that connects the endpoints of a diameter is a semicircle. Let's try to understand that. What is this line called? It is called the diameter. And this has 2 points, A and B, the end points of the diameter. What is this called? An arc of a circle. Now, if an arc connects the 2 end points of the diameter, it is called a semicircle. So this is a semicircle. Now tell me whether is this a semicircle? Yes, because this arc is also connecting the 2 endpoints of the diameter AB. Now we have all the definitions together. What is this line called? It's called a radius. What is this segment called? It's called the diameter. What is this region called? It is called a sector. What is RQ called? It is called an arc. What is this angle which is formed by 2 radii and the center as the vertex called? Central angle. What is a semicircle? The arc which connects the 2 endpoints of the diameter. That is called a semicircle. And what is a chord? A line segment connecting any 2 points on the circle. That is called a chord. Is diameter a chord? Yes, because it connects 2 endpoints of the circle. So we have learned radius, diameter, chord, semicircle, sector, arc, central angle. Now let's try to solve some questions. How are a radius and a diameter in the same circle related? Let's take a circle. This is the center of the circle. Is this a radius of the circle? Yes. Is this the radius of a circle? Yes. Now, is this full line segment diameter of the circle? So what do you observe? We observe that diameter is 2 times the radius, or radius is half of the diameter. So how are radius and diameter related? Diameter is 2 times the radius, or radius is half of the diameter. Describe the longest chord of a circle. Which will be the longest chord of a circle? Let's have a look at the circle once again. If this is the center of the circle, is this a chord? Yes, joining any 2 points on the circle. This is a chord. This is a chord. Is this a chord? Yes, but since this chord is passing through the center, it is called diameter. And if you observe, diameter will be the longest chord in a circle. So longest chord in a circle is the diameter of the circle. Identify the figure shown in the red. So what is this? It is a chord. What is this? It is an arc. What is the shaded region? What is this? It is a sector. What is this angle? It is central angle. What is this? It's the diameter. Two congruent central angles in circle P are indicated in the diagram. Find the value of x. A complete round is 360 degrees. And the question says two congruent central angles. Is this a central angle? Yes. So if this is x degrees, this also will be x degrees, because the question says two congruent, meaning they are equal. So we need to find x. We know that a complete round about of a circle is 360 degrees. So 140 plus x is equal to 360 degrees. So 140 plus 2x will be 360 degrees. How will you remove 140? Minus 140 on both sides. So 2x is equal to 360 minus 100 will be equal to 220. How will you remove the 2 which is multiplied by x? We divide by 2 on both sides. So x is equal to 110 degrees.